So the Meeting Owl is the first of its type and has a 360 camera, multiple speakers, microphones, and an AI engine that allows it to detect who's speaking in the room at any given time and presenting the optimal representation of them to all the people who are dialing into a remote meeting. Dialing into any video conference has always been a suboptimal experience for people who are remote. Being included in that meeting, increasing meeting equity, is really fundamental in this hybrid world of making sure that everybody who needs to take part in a meeting feels involved and can see the body language, hear what's being said, and as close as possible have that sort of fully immersive experience as if they were in the room.
So we work across the world on major events and major projects. So we're quite often dealing with different time zones, different countries, 26 different countries around the world. So for us, now having the Owl, what we can do is have much better personal conversations with our clients, much better connections, and much better understanding of what's happening in the room.
So Meeting Owls are now used really widely across the world. They're in more than 150,000 organizations globally, be that schools, universities, businesses, non-profits, healthcare organizations, and so on, and including 84 of the Fortune 100. So we've just announced the Meeting Owl Bar, and the Meeting Owl Bar works together with the Meeting Owl to support rooms of any size, allowing you to capture all the angles in a meeting at any time for truly immersive and inclusive meetings.